Okay, hello everyone. Let us now learn how to erase, delete, undo, or redo what we've just drawn. Okay, let's draw some uh, figures here. Let's draw some polygons. Okay. Okay, so now we have three polygons here. So the most instinctive thing to do would be to select and then delete. Okay. So before that, we have to familiarize ourselves with the different selecting uh, options in AutoCAD. Okay, if for using the mouse, if you left click on the graphics window, left click, as you can see here, if I drag my mouse to the southeast side of the cursor, it turns blue. The box turns blue. Okay, I'm not holding the mouse. I'm just, once you click and when you hover, this happens, okay? You don't have to hold the mouse because if you hold it, it's another way of selection, okay? So now, it's blue. And if I go to the northwest, as you can see here, it turns green. So what is the difference between the blue and the green? Okay, so let us see. So for the blue, let's say, have here. Okay, so what has been selected are the polygons that were entirely covered by the blue, or the features or objects, or in this case, lines, that were entirely covered by the blue. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, let's see if I don't uh, okay, in this particular scenario, only two lines are covered entirely by the blue, right? The other two lines are not, so only halfway. So if I click again, it only selects those that have been completely covered. Okay, so let's try the green. Okay, so as you can see here in the green, the coverage of the green is only, the full coverage is only two lines also. But if I click this, it selects the entire all of the lines, because everything that the green box selection box intersects with, it automatically selects the whole object, even though it only intersected with a part of it. Okay, so that's how. And then it's also the different scenario when you hold the mouse. Let's say if I hold it, I click it and then hold, it's like a selection. You can draw an outline of what you want to select, like this. So same thing for the green. Okay, so it basically has the same feature, but you have more precision in terms of what you want to select. Okay, so much for selecting objects. And then let's try to delete one of these. Okay, so if I select using the green, then just press delete, so the object is gone. Okay, so you can also press Ctrl Z in order to undo. And let's say, okay, undo, Ctrl Z. You can also use Ctrl Z, which is a very common command, right? Okay, so let's say we want to erase. There's also an erase command. So if you type erase in the command line, so you can see the erase. Then in the instruction in the command line, select objects that you want to erase. Okay, and for this, you can just select which lines that you want to delete. Okay, and when you press enter, they're gone. Okay. Okay, another way to undo is, as you can see here in the quick access toolbar, there's an arrow. And if you click that, click arrow going to the left, click that, okay, well, it deleted, it undid what you just done, okay. So, and if we press redo, okay, so you are very familiar with that. Okay, so what other things can we do? Okay, so in the command line, you can also type undo in the command line. And it says, it asks you here, enter the number of operations to undo. So I'll just write 1. So, okay, so as you can see, it adjusted the graphics window because we just panned. So panning is also one of the actions. So let's type undo again. Okay, so how many actions? I'll say 1 again. Okay, So it deleted one of the polygons. So if I say redo, okay, so there we go. Okay, so those are the ways to erase, undo, and redo, or delete. Okay, so thank you very much.